DS Automobiles is immersed in a full time of innovation within its range, with models such as the DS4 and DS9 already established. Now it is the turn of the DS7 update. It's the car with the largest presence on the market and accounts for 57% of the brand's sales in Spain. Stripped of its surname Crossback in this facelift, which comes midway through its business cycle, this SUV aims to be more refined, luxurious, sophisticated and technologically advanced than ever. The non-electric petrol is missing from its mechanical offering, and the first units should arrive later this year. Once again faced with one of the smoothest facelift, which is focused mainly on the front and rear, but gives the SUV a new look. The new DS Pixel LED Vision 3.0 headlamps combined with the new DS Light Veil daytime running lights stand out above all else. It has a vertical, layered design reminiscent of concepts such as the DS Code X. At the same time, the grille is now widened, the bumper is revised and the rear is given a new look thanks to the several thin taillights which have a subtle dark horizontal line between them with the new DS Automobiles lettering, is a detail that reaffirms a more subtle and close styling to the new DS4. The icing on the cake is placed on new 21-inch wheels. The interior also presents interesting changes. The driving position of the new DS7 is more modern, mainly due to the updated DS Iris System multimedia system with a 12-inch central touchscreen and digital instrumentation, also 12 inches. All of this is accompanied by the French brand's usual savoir-faire in terms of materials and customization, offering a wide range of colors and environments, now also expanding the customization possibilities with two new Napa leather tones, basalt black and pearl gray, as well as the others, colors and finishes for the top version of Opera, Rivoli or Bastille. Of course, the DS7 also wins round numbers with its revised and expanded arsenal of driving assistants featuring its own technologies such as the DS night vision camera and the DS Active Scan suspension damping system, without forgetting adaptive cruise control or the driver attention system. With fatigue detector. The new DS7 is presented with a 4-engine offering with no less than 3 plug-in hybrids. On the thermal front we find the 130 CV Blue HDI diesel as the only non-electrified engine, always with an 8-speed automatic transmission. But the big bet of the new DS7 is electrification with 3 plug-in hybrids that now have a 14.2 kWh battery, 1 kWh more than the previous range, and can also be recharged with up to 7.4 kilowatts in shifts. At the moment, the most affordable plug-in model is the DS7 E-Tense 225, which combines a 180 HP PureTech petrol engine and 110 HP electric motor to reach 225 HP, accompanied by an 8-speed automatic gearbox and all-wheel drive. Front, with 65 km of electric autonomy. The mid-range version is the E-Tense 4x4 300, which ups the ante with 200 CV thermal and 2 electric motors, one with 110 CV at the front and an additional 112 CV at the rear axle to achieve all-wheel drive. This combination manages to reach 300 CV and cover a distance of up to 63 km on electric power alone. Finally, as the pinnacle and flagship of the series, the DS7 E-Tense 4x4 360 is presented, which is equipped with the same engine with 300 CV, but thanks to special adjustments to the electronics it reaches 360 CV. But these changes are not limited to the power figure and have a series of adjustments made by DS performance specialists, Formula E champions. The front track is 2.4 cm wider while the rear has increased by 1 cm and the ride height has been reduced by 1.5 cm in addition to the installation of 21-inch wheels. It also equips 380mm front brake discs with 4 piston calipers. Thus this version is capable of doing 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.6 seconds and offers a range of 57 km in the combined cycle. All DS7 E10s come standard with predictive active suspension DS active scan suspension, which reads the road using the 2 front cameras and adapts the suspension to what the DS7 will encounter on its way. We can get behind the wheel of the star machine of the new range, the E10's 4x4360. From the first moment, the changes made to the frame are noticeable, as the large 21-inch wheels attract attention and an even bigger look. Wide valued way. Started our journey of about 100 kilometers along the Alps Maritimes Road, near Nice, with an electric range of 43 kilometers, but did the first kilometer in hybrid mode. The driving position is excellent and it is very easy to find the right position. Although the seats do not have the possibility to adjust the seat length from the first moment, you can tell that this DS7 has a spark and there's no need to use strong acceleration or go through the tempting sport driving mode. In doing so, the character becomes completely different and the sporty comfort it offers in the first moments is transformed into resonant behavior. It's a pleasure to drive and offers a nimbleness that the previous DS7 lacked, although the steering isn't particularly fast, with 3 wheel revolutions between locks. The suspension is slightly firmer in sport mode but maintains a good level of comfort. What pleases the most is the feeling of control, without losing traction and with excellent precision in the twisty turns of the French Alps. At the end of the test, it has 4 kilometers of electric autonomy remaining and the average consumption is 6.7 liters, alternating hybrid and sport modes and driving regardless of cost. It may seem low consumption and it is, but we must also take into account that it almost drinks the electric autonomy of 40 kilometers on the route. With this novelty in mind, the new DS7 can now be ordered once opening orders for the range to be offered with Bastille, Rivoli, Opera, Performance Line Plus, and Bastille are complete, at which point a limited edition DS will be added. At the premiere of 7 E10's 4x4360 La Premiere. The most affordable ones have textile upholstery and some faux leather upholstery. The Performance Line uses Alcantara to cover the seats, dashboard and door panels, while the Rivoli and Opera already have leather interiors, of higher quality and thickness. Vision 3.0 LED headlamps are standard only on Opera and Performance Line Plus.